We have a beautiful big 4-door Jaguar, scratched up headlights, really, really bad. So they called us the best in the business. So here, what do we have here? Passenger side. Look at that. Look at all those scratches. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. And then we go to the right, driver's side. Got the same thing on that side. But have no fear. This is what we do. Okay, look at this. Look at this result. Yeah, I know. I have no words. Gorgeous. If you're in South Florida, Broward County, Miami-Dade, Palm Beach counties, you need headlight restoration, you call us, Broward Headlight Restoration. 754-302-0769. We're fully mobile. Call or text us.